We rip, we nick, we even get cut trying for beautiful legs. But now there's Flawless Legs from Finishing Touch, the gold standard in instant painless hair removal. With its 18-karat gold-plated heads, Flawless Legs gently removes hair with no soap, no water, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. No nicks, no cuts, no bumps. Inside, the finest engineered technology removes hair with micro-precision, while floating heads contour to every curve, perfect for delicate areas like ankles and knees.
It's super quick, you go in little circles, you can't cut yourself. It's like I waxed them, but I didn't.
Flawless Legs is the easy, pain-free way to get smooth, flawless legs, close as a blade, and safe to the touch.
You can take it anywhere. It is so nice to get the smoothness of a razor, but without having to go through the hassle of shaving.
Built-in LED lights make it easy to see and remove it all, with no nicks, cuts, or irritation, and no costly batteries, because Flawless Legs is rechargeable.
No more waxing, no more pain, no more razor cuts. I love that I don't have to get in the shower to shave.
Flawless Legs is so effective it can remove hair from anywhere, yet it's gentle and safe to the touch. And its palm-perfect design provides a no nicks, no cuts control you can't get with razors, so it's perfect for every age.
I get behind my knees, I get down by my ankles without ever worrying about nicking myself.
Flawless Legs is easy to use, easy to hold, and I don't have to get my legs wet.
Instant painless hair removal, rechargeable, 18-karat gold-plated heads. Flawless Legs, only from Finishing Touch.